Super good. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very quick and easy appetizer that I guarantee you, your friends, your family, everybody's going to love. And it's very quick to make. So I've got a block of cream cheese here. I've got my oven preheating right now at 350 Fahrenheit in behind me. So our cream cheese, we're going to put in the center of some tinfoil, aluminum foil, whatever you want to call it. So that's pretty easy. That's basically going to be the center point of our dip. And I've got some beautiful cherry tomatoes here, different varieties, different colors. So I'm just going to cut these up. And we're basically going to smother that cream cheese with pesto, tomatoes, some green onions, and then we're going to grate some Parmesan cheese on top, and then we're going to bake it. So with the cherry tomatoes, they don't have to be cherry tomatoes, but any tomatoes, I just cut them into smaller, more bite-sized pieces. I'm sure Jamie will fast forward this part, as riveting as it is watching me cut tomatoes. All right, so I would say probably 2 to 3 heaping tablespoons of pesto. Now, if you're really adventurous and you can make your own, then that would be amazing. We're not that adventurous here in the Average Kitchen. So that's 2 good size heaping tablespoons. We're going to go with that. I think that's going to be enough. And then what we're going to start to do is just throw in our tomatoes. There's no real rhyme or reason or how you lay them out. Basically, we're just going to put them on and all around our mixture. And then some green onion. We're just going to sprinkle that on top there. And then, just going to have to give me a sec, Jamie. I got to grab the parm. Okay, so I've got a block of Parmesan here with a microplaner, and I'm just going to grate a pretty generous amount of parm on top of our mixture here. So you'll see I grated a bunch of parm all over the whole area as well as our tomatoes. Now we're going to wrap that in the foil and we're going to bake it for about 25 minutes or until everything is warm and your cream cheese is soft. Everybody's oven is different, so I'm going to say roughly 25 minutes. So last thing to do now is just basically gently wrap that. It doesn't have to be super tight. Essentially, you're almost steaming the inside so that everything cooks or gets warm and gets melted together. So that little bundle of joy, oh, oven's preheated. That's a good sign. So we're just going to throw that right in the oven. So I can already smell this. It smells amazing. Now, obviously, be very careful when you open this up because there's going to be steam. So you can see, just grab a cracker here now. You can see the cream cheese is super soft. So if you get a chip or a cracker with the tomato on it, a little bit of onion. Now I don't know if I necessarily want to throw this in my mouth right now. I'm just going to maybe give it a second because it looks like it's super hot. Super good. Jamie, can I make you one?
Sure.
Full of hot molten lava. Well, gives it the thumbs up. So that is our video. Very quick one. Super easy to make. Fan favorite. Hope you make it. Leave us a comment. Let me know if you liked it, and we'll see you on the next one.